We're going to pick up my Neon, you guys. We're right down the street, yo. I cannot even believe it. It's like a fully rebuilt engine. I've been having like smoke going on and like the tailpipes every time I shift, and that is my down pipe that was put together quickly by my buddy Mason and his buddy Steven before I left Massachusetts. Wideband and upstream oxygen sensor. This whole thing needs to be replaced. From the turbine housing all the way back to my 3-inch exhaust from DX, which is actually from Chris, Chris May. I actually am flying down to Southern California, Ontario Airport to go meet up with Diaz and get my car, and then give it a drive for a little while and go get my car smogged. Pacifico. I'm happy, but I'm also a little upset the way things are and have been going. Let's just say I'm moving out of my Airbnb place that I've been at for a little while, and I'm actually moving to Santa Rosa, which is only like the next town over, but it's just the fact that I have to move out. I'm waiting for...
Nope,
what's up? Oh, no? Oh. The airport expresser, that way I can go to San Francisco airport and take it to Ontario airport, which is like east of San Bernardino, I believe it is. Well, I made it to Ontario. Look at the mountains with the clouds over there. It's cold right now. I landed last night at 12:30 a.m. and I've been sleeping there, right behind that baggage claim sign. There's like this kiosk and just a little platform. I laid there. Yeah, I just knocked out. So I didn't realize Diaz's shop is about 2 miles down the road. That's me right there. Diaz's shop is right there. Probably take me 25 minutes to walk there. I'm gonna see if there's any food along the way, but I didn't want to go out last night because it's cold. It's cold right now. I'm freezing. I got this, and thankfully I got this because I had a pillow. All right, guys, I just left a diner, had breakfast because I was definitely hungry because I didn't eat anything since yesterday. I went to a diner here down the street, about a 1.5 mile walk. He messaged me, he's like, dude, I stayed there till 2-3 o'clock in the morning trying to get the stuff done. So I'm on my way to the shop now. He said he'd be there as soon as possible. I told him roughly an hour I'd be there because I wanted to finish up my breakfast and coffee, and I'd have to walk. I have a website now, shopskittlefabs.com, so if you guys want to go check that out, the link is at the top of the screen or the first link in the description. Alright guys, I was just going through the past conversations from Diaz because we've been talking for a long time. I think it's almost been 4 years from actually 2020, December 21st, 2020. And I sent him a couple videos and he's like, looks like you're running a V-band adapter on the turbo. For those of you that are wondering why I run a 4-bolt to V-band adapter, is because the up pipe needs a V-band off the turbine housing. Since I don't have that, I needed to run that 4-bolt to V-band adapter, which I had for a long time because I was running it on my Garrett 56, I don't know. It was an older turbo. It's my past turbo. If you guys want to see that video of me unboxing the new Precision, top right of the screen, that is the Precision Gen 2 ball bearing 6062 that Ricardo told me to get, and it's been a solid turbo, and Precision actually rebuilt the turbo on their end. They didn't charge me a freaking dime, and I love them. Thank you, Precision. But basically what I was trying to get at is that he told me for him to build something to actually fit my turbo and his
up pipe, V-band, up pipe. Shit. Sounds like the train's coming, but I know it ain't. Oh, it could be. Oh shit. I was like, would you ever do another dump for this setup or no? He goes, I would need the setup here, to be honest. The wastegate location is different on each manifold depending on the customer setup. So since it was already mounted and the engine was already in the engine bay, I was just like, you know what, maybe one day I'll go ahead and be in California. And look at this, I'm in California. I'm literally right around the corner from his shop right now. This is nuts. All right guys, we are just about to turn the corner and Diaz's shop is right there. Earlier when I was here, he wasn't here and the shop wasn't open. I didn't get to see my car. I couldn't even look in to see my car, but he's here. I'm gonna go see what my neon looks like. The clamminess in the hands there, and I feel like I'm sweating. Obviously I got a hoodie, a sweatshirt, and a shirt, and my backpack and all that, and I'm walking everywhere, but yo yo,
what's up, man?
What up, bro? Where are you?
Over here up there.
Look at you, a busy dude, huh? You like that downpipe? What's going on, bro?
How's it going, man?
Nice to finally meet you, yo.
Yeah, oh, yeah, that downpipe was
It was makeshift, bro.
yeah,
Like,
I can tell.
yeah, it worked for the time being. It held up, but
Yeah.
you know. We're now tight to my precision. Man, you got that shit done quick though. My block is so pretty. Oh, ooh, even the head. It feels like the day that I sent you the video of it actually like running with the up pipe, like mad excited, dude.
Yeah.
That push to start. Woo! What's that?
It was a pain in the ass.
Huh? The couplers?
The bumper.
The bump. Oh yeah. I wasn't even. Like, I was like, he's had his times of taking the bumpers off. I'm pretty sure this is pretty
That was
easy.
my first time taking one of these off.
Yeah. Oh, you did get that up.
Tighten this up.
Oh my god, that looks dope. That's perfect spotting too.
What 3-inch versus that other stuff you had?
Yeah, well, you know, it went to, everybody's been wondering why I haven't gone over 300 and something horsepower and stuff, and why my engine shit the bed and all this other stuff, but I suspect it was probably because of the fact that I was bottlenecked from 3-inch to 2.25, right?
It was like 2-inch.
Really?
Yeah,
It was a stock, whatever it was. But damn, the thing's huge.
And then you got 3-inch all the way.
Dude. Oh my god, that looks nice. That looks beautiful. Yeah, these are the only things that was really holding other than the 3 or 4 on there and the 3 nuts holding that on. I think pretty much that was that.
The 3 on each side, the top, and then these 2.
Yeah. It's a heavy little bitch. Did you pick it up by yourself?
Yeah, was it mild steel?
I don't know,
It's
dude.
heavy.
It is.
It's
It
not
is.
aluminum.
No, it's not light either, dude. I know.
So
But it fit perfectly. I don't have to worry about
yeah, it fit
vibration.
fine.
Word.
Went in, no issues.
Yeah, it's an MPX diffuser with an MPX rear section. My buddy ended up having this and he sold it to me. It's carbon fiber. MPX!
You may have found it.
Look at it's completely wrapped, still wrapped. Oh my lord, is this heavy? Wow. Alright, word. They look dope, bro.
And just a V-band here, V-band up there.
That way I don't have to worry about taking that section off. I
Yeah.
could just get a plate and or not even do anything with it. I just don't want stuff getting pulled back up. People asked me the other day how to get this to work, and I'm like, you got stock turbo or aftermarket? Because this will work with a stock turbo, no problem, stock placement, but you got to modify that piece up there. So
Yeah, to straighten it out, shorten it, and then shorten this part. But
yeah,
I got it on there.
you just did what, like two pieces? Oh, you cut it and then you put a piece section.
I cut it and I straightened it out because it was more angled. So I straightened it out. and then actually I extended it,
Yeah,
and
I
then
see
on this
that.
side I shortened it to bring it over.
Really nice work, bro.
Thank you.
This is why I waited. It's worth the wait. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
And that's the connector right there. Cool. Okay. I just need to know where I'm gonna run it. I gotta get a shield back up there too, because I know that's gonna make some heat.
All right, go for it. It's like 28 miles, something like that.
So
30 miles.
roughly 30 miles on the build. So I gotta do a few more miles. That way I can go get smogged. I gotta get smogged because of Massachusetts. So I got a guy here down in Southern California that's gonna take care of me, and I'm gonna go ahead and take care of his caliber. So maybe in another video, subscribe like I just told you guys to do, and you guys might see more caliber content, because I know you guys like the caliber content. Did you guys hear that? Oh, I'm getting pulled over. I'm getting pulled over. Yeah, she sounds good. Too bad I couldn't open the cutout.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to get it open and get it stuck open.
Yeah.
Oh. She's back. I definitely gotta go over it before I take a long ride. Is there a Harbor Freight around here?
Yeah.
I gotta buy zip ties. Zip ties.